Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will tell you 5 tips and tricks you should know before investing in cryptocurrency. So watch this video till the end. If you are planning to invest in crypto for the first time, it is crucial to be aware of the new venture you are entering. Below are some of the things you should keep in mind to help you navigate the field better. Number 1. Find reputable news sources. There will always be lots of opposing opinions about cryptocurrencies, as well as the people who own them. Many think that crypto is just a fad, and those who engage in them will only find disappointment. If you are already convinced that this can benefit you, then just stick to sources you can trust and avoid the noise of the non-believers. If you want to be a successful investor or altcoin owner, stick with the facts. Number 2. Be prepared for volatility. It is not a secret that cryptocurrency is still not as stable as the standard currencies. Just go back to that inflation of Bitcoin to almost $20,000 a piece less than 3 years ago. You have to be agile with your decisions and think about what will be best for the current amount of assets that you have. Even experienced crypto traders and owners still have no luck with mastering the trends of these virtual coins. Number 3. Venture into other altcoins. Bitcoins are only one part of the story when it comes to cryptocurrency. Be careful to place all your eggs in one basket, as you may end up losing then gaining. Do your research and see which coins are thriving well, with the most used cases that you can benefit from. What you will use your crypto for will be up to you, so choose your assets wisely. Number 4. Learn the uses of both hot and cold wallets. While crypto exists digitally, you can still have a way of storing them online and offline through hot wallets and cold wallets. If you are a beginner, the ease of access to hot offline wallets will prove to be more useful and versatile. Cold wallets, however, do offer more protection from hackers and other miscreants. As part of your journey into diversifying your assets, learn to use both types of wallets. Number 5. Be vigilant. While cryptocurrencies have higher safety ratings than traditional money, it still pays to be on the alert. If you want to trade or own large amounts of altcoins in your mobile wallet, you have to be prepared against the risks and vulnerabilities that you are opening up yourself to. Try to study different ways of handling your newfound assets and see how you can manage your money in a way that is both responsible and convenient for you. Conclusion. Mastering the world of cryptocurrencies will take a while, so don't pressure yourself to become a whiz on day one. Like any skill, it takes time, practice, and constant learning to find out how you can maximize the potential of your virtual coins, whether you want to use it for trading or daily transactions. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.